Bruh. Huh? Huh? Yeah, boy.
Today I would like to introduce to both of you about an technology, the important part of our daily life, which is we call artificial intelligence of or AI.
Oh,
AI.
Do you know about AI?
Yes, I know.
Yes. Nazirul,
Yeah.
artificial intelligence or AI is technology that allows machine and computer system to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. The term artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a machine to imitate human thinking, learning, and decision-making performance. AI works by using data, algorithms, and computer systems to analyze information, recognize patterns, and produce results. Unlike traditional computer programs that only follow fixed instructions, AI system can learn from experience and improve their performance over time.
Yeah.
Yes. In simple words, AI is technology that enables computer to think, learn, and solve problems in a way that is similar to human intelligence. However, AI does not have human emotion or consequences. It only processes information based on the data and instruction it receives. May I make conclusion? In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a modern technology created to help humans complete tasks more efficiently, make better decisions, and improve the way we work and we learn.
Thank you, Wazir, for explaining what is artificial intelligence or AI is to us. Okay, as we can see, AI is becoming more advanced every year, and it is being used in many parts of our daily life, such as healthcare, transportation, business, and education.
Yeah, I agree
Yes,
with that.
yes. Because technology developing so quickly, AI is becoming more common in schools and universities around the world.
Alright, Faris, can you explain more about AI in education?
Today, many students and teachers use AI as part of the learning process. This shows that AI is no longer just a new technology, but it is also becoming an important part of modern education. As a result, AI is changing the way teachers teach and the way students learn. It is helping to make education more modern and more suitable for today's digital world.
As we know, AI is becoming more important in modern education because technology is changing the way students learn and teachers to teach. Nowadays, AI is only used for finding information, but it also helps to create a better learning experience. Students can use AI to understand difficult topic, get explanation, and learn according to their own pace. For teachers, AI can support teaching process by helping them prepare, listen, and create learning materials. This make education more effective and suitable for today's digital world. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Faris. However, AI should be used wisely because it is only a tools to support learning. Students and teachers still need human thinking, creativity, and communication.
Now that we have learned about AI and its importance in education, let's move on to the advantages of AI in education.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Okay, the first advantage is personalized learning. AI can adapt lesson and learning activities according to each student abilities and learning speed. Every student learns differently. Some students understand lesson quickly, while the others need more time and more practice. AI can identify each student level of understanding and provide learning materials that match their needs. For example, if a student finds a topic difficult, AI can give simpler explanation step by step and guide them to give extra practice. As the student improve, AI can provide more challenging question, and on the other hand, students who learn faster can continue learning without waiting for others. Because of this, students can learn at their own pace and understand lesson better and feel more confident in their learning. This makes the learning process more effective and enjoyable for every student. What about you, Azim?
Oh, for me, I think AI can help for personalized learning. AI can adapt lessons and activities according to students' abilities, learning and learning speed. This means every student can learn in a way that suits their own needs. May I give example? Some students may need more practice, while others can move to higher level. AI can help provide suitable materials for each student. Mm, Another advantage of using AI in education is 24 24-hour learning support. This means student can receive learning assistance anytime and anywhere without having to wait for a teacher or classroom session. With AI tools, student can ask question, get explanation, receive example, and practice their skill whenever they need help. For example, if a student does not understand a topic after class, they can use AI to get a simple explanation or additional examples to improve their understanding. This allows students to continue learning outside of school hours, and their own learning pace. In conclusion, 24-hour learning support makes education more flexible, accessible, and convenient for students in the modern learning environment nowadays. What about you, Nazirul?
One of the advantages of using AI in education is that it helps teachers. AI can assist teachers with lesson planning, grading, and creating teaching materials. This can help teachers save time and reduce their workload. By using AI, teachers can prepare lesson more easily and focus more helping their student. Um, for example, teachers can use AI to create as what we call exercise and prepare question or finding new ideas for classroom activities. This make the teaching process more organized and effective. Beside that, AI also encourage creativity among students. AI can help students generate AI idea for project, writing, and problem solving. Sometimes Students have difficult starting their work, so AI can provide suggestion and inspiration. For example, student can use AI to get ideas for presentation or assignment and then improve those idea using their own creativity. However, students should not depend completely on AI because they still need to think and create their own work. So I want to ask my friend, do you think AI helps students become more creativity or does it make student depends too much on technology? So Faris, do you think AI helps students become more creative or does it make student depends too much on technology?
I think it depends on people. Some may use AI fully, and the others may use it for to take some idea for their work.
Yes, I agree. Because AI can help students get new idea, but they still need to use their own creativity. Overall, AI is useful for both teachers and students because it support the learning process and makes education more effective.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's very hot out here.
Yeah.
Aduh.
I think we can go to the next station here.
Yes,
Yes.
this place very hot and have many mosquito.
Yes.
Let's
I
go.
agree.
Ah.
Let us.
Yes, yes.
I see here.
Yes.
So cool here.
Yes.
But it's better place.
Yes, very comfy.
Oh.
Okay, we continue our discussion.
Yes.
Yes.
The last advantages of AI in education
Yeah.
is quick access to information. Nowadays, students can use AI tools to get information, explanation, and learning materials in a faster and easier way. In the past, students needed to spend a lot of time searching through books or different websites to understand a topic. However, with AI, students can simply ask questions and receive answers within a second. For example, if a student does not understand a different topic in science or mathematics, AI can provide a simple explanation step by step and give some example and addition exercises to help the student understand better. This make this makes the learning process more convenient because students can get support whenever they need it. And beside that, AI also helps students to explore more information beyond what they learn in the classroom. Students can ask, for example, summaries or different perspective about a topic. This encourages students to learn independently and become more curious about a new knowledge. Now that we have learned about advantages of AI in education, let's we move on to the disadvantages of AI in education. Okay, Naziro.
Oh, I first.
Yes. What about you?
Hmm. The first disadvantages is privacy current concerns. When students use AI, when students use AI tools, their personal information or learning data may be collected. This can become a problem if the information is not protected properly. For example, mm, student may share personal details or school information when using AI without knowing the risk. The therefore student need to be careful and understand how to use AI safely. Okay, so I want to ask my friends, do you think students should be more careful when using AI tools?
Yes, I think it's must be more careful while
Okay.
using.
Yes, I agree. Because students need to protect their personal information. Right. The second disadvantage is digital inequality. Okay. Not all students have equal access to AI technologies, and not all students have device to use AI. Some students have good device and internet connection, while others may not have the same opportunity of what we call opportunities. For example, some students can use AI at home with laptop or stable internet, but some students not cannot uh, cannot use AI because they do not have these facilities. This can create difference. Um, sorry, this can create differences in learning opportunities among students. So I want to ask Faris. So, my friend, should school provide AI access for all students?
Yes, because it's a new technology.
Yes, for me, it's correct because every student should have the some opportunity to use technology for learning.
Alright, so far we have discussed some of the advantages of using AI in education. Although AI offers many benefits, it also have some disadvantages that we should not ignore. Okay, now let's look at the first disadvantages from it, which is over dependence on AI. Although AI is a useful learning tool, some students may depend on it too much. Instead of thinking carefully or solving their problems by themselves, they may ask AI to do other work for them. For example, some students use AI to complete their homework or assignments without trying to understand the lesson. They may simply copy the answer without learning the process. As a result, they may become less confident in solving problems on their own. Okay, Rosie, let me ask you, do you use ChatGPT when you do your assignment?
Yes, I usually open.
Okay, we can use ChatGPT, but don't overuse it because over time this can reduce students' critical thinking, problem solving, and independent learning skill. Therefore, AI should be used as a tool to support learning, not to replace students' own effort and thinking. Understand?
Yeah. Now we have learned another point from Nas and Farid. Right? So we go to my point. Another disadvantage using AI is education less human interaction. When students rely too much on AI tools for learning, communication between students and teachers may decrease. Instead of asking teachers for guidance or discussing problems with classmates, students may choose to depend on AI for answer and explanation. Human interaction is important, very important part of education because it helps students to develop communication skills, teamwork, and also social skills. Through discussion and face-to-face interaction, students can share ideas, ask questions, and receive feedback from the teachers and peers. In addition, teachers can provide emotional support, motivation, and encouragement, I think, that AI cannot fully offer. Therefore, while AI can be a useful learning tool, it should be not replace the human connection that are essential for effective effective learning.
Now, let's look at my second disadvantage, which is the risk of inaccurate information. Although AI can provide information very quickly, it is not always correct. Sometimes AI may give incorrect, incomplete, or misleading answers to us. For example, if a student uses AI to complete an assignment without checking the information, they may include wrong facts or incorrect explanation in their work. This can affect the quality of their assignments and may lead to misunderstandings. Because of this, students should not trust every answer given by AI. They should always check the information by referring to reliable sources such as textbook, academic website, or their teachers. You want to add on?
I think I add a little
little bit
bit.
only.
A little bit. The point that I want to add is using AI is make the academic dishonesty. With the availability of AI tools, some students may use them in the wrong way, such as asking AI to complete assignments or provide answer without understanding the topic. This can prevent students from developing their own thinking skills and knowledge. For example, instead of using AI to get idea or improve their work, students may copy AI generated answer and submit them as their own. This creates unfair learning environment because students are not truly showing their abilities. Academic dishonesty can also affect students' future learning because they may become depend all on AI only and struggle when they need to solve problem independently. Therefore, students should use AI responsibly as a support tool for learning, not as replacement, I think, for their own effort and creativity. I think we can agree that we have end our discussion, right?
We have advantage, we have disadvantage of AI.
So, so now we can end our discussion.
I think we can
It is enough.
Thank you for your attention to my answer and my opinion.
I'm too.
Thank you.
Itu. Okay, we can.
Thank you.
Dia point over. Macam lagi. So I want to ask.
Some may use AI apa ni? Apa ni?
Bantu lah, bantu. Dua produk apa ni? Hello, testing 1, 2, 3.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Wesley. Asal tu tak? Ada lagi. Okey sih. Nampak apa cakap? Okay.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling stronger. What's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood comes first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last one. Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take.